Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new triangle scarf tutorial. This is with double crochets, chain stitches, and single crochets in different variations here per row. So you can see here, a little preview of the pattern. I used a Colorfade pattern with like pink, gray, and white pink. This is a great easy variation, and I'll show you now how exactly this works. Have fun! Alright, so here we are with our lollipop wool from Grundle. This is a really cute ball of yarn. I think we have gray, pink, then we have a part that's kind of like white, purple, and pink. That's kind of just like, switching off. This is really nice for spring. I think it looks great. And let me see the composition here. We have 100% polyacrylic, 150 grams, and 240 meters. This is meant for size 5 to 6 crocheting hooks. And I will take my size 6 here. Okay, so I took out the middle of the ball of yarn here already. You can see there's a lot of pink here already. And that's what we will start with. So we will start here with a magic circle and start with 3 chain stitches. Okay, so we start with the magic ring. So put your string in your hand, cross it on front, then pull the hook through in between, pull it up, and then we have our magic ring. Okay, we can make it a little smaller here, and then we add 3 chain stitches. Then we go into the ring and add a double crochet, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. Then we pull the ring closed and we have our first row done. Okay, then we start with row number 2. We will start again with 3 chain stitches. That's how every row will start. And then go into the first stitch here, do a double crochet, chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets, always into the first stitch that we have laying here. Here centrally we have the chain stitch. This on the right here is the 3 chain stitches from the beginning, and that's kind of like the same as, or it's for the height of double crochets. Okay, then we do a single stitch here around the chain stitch of the row before, that's here centrally located. And then we go around the chain stitches here that we did at the very beginning. And we add a double crochet, another double crochet, a chain stitch, and 2 more double crochets. So we always have a structure of 4 here with a central chain stitch. Here are the chain stitches where there's my fingers right now. And here in the middle, we have the single crochet. Then we continue with 3 chain stitches, then we turn it around, and then we go into the very first one here. We add a double crochet, a chain stitch, and 2 double crochets, always into the same spot. And then here we have the chain stitch of the row before. Into there we add a single crochet. And then here on the next one up, we have a single crochet that we did around the chain stitch of the first row. So that's 2 rows ago. And that's what we're getting now. And this is where I'll add the structure of 4 again. So double crochet, another double crochet, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. Okay. Then around the chain stitch of the row before, we add a single crochet, and then all the way on the outside we add 4 double crochets, and in the middle of that a chain stitch. Okay, then we're done with row number 3, and as you can see we have 3 of these structures of 4, and always here around the single crochet of the row before, And I will show you again also row number 4. This will basically be the same, and also obviously in the rows that are following. So start with 3 chain stitches, then a double crochet, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets into the first stitch. Then next up we have the chain stitch. We add a single crochet there. Then we have the single crochet from the row before, and there we will add 4 double crochets with a central chain stitch. Then next up we have we will add we have the chain stitch from the row before, we add a single crochet, then we have the single crochet from the row before, but we will add 2 double crochets, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. You can see that here, which is what it looks like. And then here, around the chain stitch of the row before, we will add a single crochet, and then on the very outside we will add 4 double crochets with a central chain stitch. Okay, here then we have 4 of these structures here already. So in every row we will add 1, and that's how the scarf will continue to grow. And we always have this switch here kind of between if we're doing the single crochet or the structure of 4, that will always change every row. And I will continue crocheting with this until I get to my first color change. Alright, I actually already crocheted over the first 2 colors here, and we have the second color change here already. We started with pink, fitting to my nail polish actually. Then we had the gray part here. You can see here really nicely where the single crochets are always around the pink edges basically. Then we have 3 rows, 5 rows with the gray. You can see that really nicely here. And then here we have the fade from gray to the colorful part, which I think is, you know, the most exciting for me in this ball of yarn. You can see that this is fully dyed through, it's not knotted together. And yeah, I'm going to start here again with 3 chain stitches. I already turned it around, so I don't have to do that right now. And then I will start again here with a double crochet, a chain stitch, and 2 more double crochets. Okay, into the new row. This looks really cute now, I think. Here we have the chain stitch, we put the single crochet around that, then the next one is the single crochet, and we add the 4 double crochets with a central chain stitch around that. Okay, and then here we have this area where we have the double crochet, the single crochet around the chain stitch. Here we have the, we always switch off between the single crochet and the packs of 4. And I'm going to continue crocheting this here for a little bit. I have a little more wool left here. And after the colorful, we will have pink again, and then gray again, and then the colorful again, and then pink again. Okay, so it starts how it ends. Or it ends how it starts. Alright guys, so here we are at the tip of the scarf. After 1 row here that I actually was able to finish in the full pink, but this is actually the last row because I have some wool left here, but it's not going to be enough for another whole row. That's why I will already cut this off here, pull the thread out and pull it tight, and then it's already secured. And the pink thread will be put to the side for now. And I'll show you the full shawl here. So this is a nice length, it's about 1.60 m in the width, so from, yeah, tip to tip. And we have these beautiful color fades here with the pink, then the gray, then the part that's, you know, colorful. Obviously you can see here that the parts always get thinner, just because, yeah, the scarf obviously gets wider. And I think this is really, really nice for spring that's coming along now. And I really hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you back here next time at DIY Ideas. Bye!